Closed captioning for great taste is presented by Manitoba Chicken Producers, your online source for yum. Great Tastes of Manitoba. Brought to you in part by Manitoba's farmers and ranchers. Local farms, local foods. Great Tastes is sponsored by the Government of Canada and Manitoba Agriculture and Resource Development through the Canadian Agricultural Partnership.
Welcome to Great Tastes of Manitoba. My name is Des Daniels, and we are cooking with Gina Sunderland tonight, Manitoba Chicken. And this is Manitoba Chicken on a drum roll in our beautiful Supper Central kitchen here. I think that's probably an award for the best title, one of the best titles we've got from this season. Manitoba Chicken on a drum roll, because drumsticks are fun. I know my kids always used to fight over them when they were little. Kids love drumsticks, and they're super nutritious and easy to prepare.
Yes.
So can you tell us about the 3 recipes we're going to be making tonight?
Okay, I'm also really excited about these delicious drumstick recipes, and you're right, everybody loves chicken drumsticks, and they're so good for us. And they're economical. So our 3 recipes, we are gonna start out with a delicious glaze with our Hoisin Chicken drumsticks. Next, we're gonna move on to a beautiful, creamy, marinated, herbed buttermilk chicken. And then our 3rd recipe is a dry rub. It's our Cajun drumsticks. So very different recipes, all simple, and it's just, chicken is so versatile.
It is, yeah, a little bit of a different finish, if you will, on each of them. So we're looking forward to checking those out. Okay, but number 1, Hoisin Chicken. This is going to end up very moist and very juicy if we do it right, and it will, because Gina's here to guide us. So how do we put this together?
Okay, Des, this is just such a simple, beautiful recipe with so much flavor. It's a simple glaze we're going to make, and the nice thing is we marinate this chicken in the glaze for only about 15 minutes, and then it's just ready to go into the oven.
Thing,
so
ready to
nice
do its
and quick.
thing. Okay.
So I'm going to get you to start by making this glaze for me. So we've got 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, and you're going to add that to the bowl. And these are just accessible ingredients that you can find anywhere.
Yeah, nothing too
Nope.
unusual.
Nothing unusual. The next is our 2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Soy sauce going in.
And one of my favorite ingredients, Des, is the tablespoon of fresh chopped ginger.
Gotta have it.
Smells wonderful. Citrusy, delicious. And then we've got a teaspoon of our garlic powder.
Okay.
And a teaspoon of sesame oil goes in next, and that adds a lot of delicious Asian flavor.
Love sesame oil.
And then half a teaspoon of our red chili pepper flakes.
So a little bit of kick to this one.
A little bit of kick, so you could add a little less, a little more, depending on what your desired flavor is. And just whisk that all together. Yeah, you got it. Looking good. Oh, and smelling good too.
It does indeed.
Perfect.
Okay.
So it's just that simple. So Des, next step, I am going to get you to pour that glaze over our drumsticks. And this is about 2 pounds of drumsticks, or about a dozen.
Okay.
So typically 10 to 12 drumsticks is 2 pounds.
Well, that's the thing about, I would say, most of your recipes, and these in particular, these are really recipes that anyone can handle. And I like mentioning that because I always want to make sure that people watching understand that it's not, this is, sometimes we have slightly more, we'll say, complex recipes, but this is a recipe. These are recipes with Gina that anyone can handle. So if you're just starting out in the kitchen, don't be afraid.
I agree.
Give it a try.
This is a great first recipe, a wonderful one to make with your family, with your kids, and kids love drumsticks. And the other thing is, not only are they a great source of protein, but they're a fantastic source of iron. And
so even more so than maybe other parts of the chicken?
Yes.
Okay, so tell us about that.
Dark meat is a wonderful source of dietary iron. And the type of iron in dark meat is called heme iron, and it's just a type of iron that's very easy for our bodies to absorb. So great for all of us.
All right.
Yeah.
They're good for you.
So all you do is mix these around, and then you preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and you just transfer these drumsticks onto a baking sheet. It is just that simple.
Do you usually use parchment paper when you put them on sheets?
You know what? For easier cleanup, you can use parchment or you can use foil. The choice is yours, or you can let them get nice and sticky right on the pan with a little soak. And it's just that simple. And you know what we can smell right now?
You want me to bring out the
we have some baking
product? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Yeah, they do smell wonderful.
Oh, your whole house will smell absolutely divine.
They smell good, but as you will soon see,
there we go. Here is our
Hoisin
Chicken drumsticks, and just finish them off with a little bit of sesame seeds if you like. And I love to serve these with stir-fried Asian vegetables like baby bok choy And there you've got it, Des.
Healthy, delicious, beautiful. There you have it, Hoisin Chicken here on Great Tastes of Manitoba. I love them. It's like a make-ahead dish that we're going to do for you in just a second here.
Yes, it is.
We've got our herbed buttermilk chicken when we come back on Great Tastes of Manitoba. Don't go away.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by the Government of Canada and Manitoba Agriculture and Resource Development through the Canadian Agricultural Partnership.